How to connect a GFCI receptacle to the line and load junction box wires. Junction box where the GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, receptacle will be installed to protect electrical devices on the load side of this receptacle. Cable from the power source. Cable to power another electrical outlet elsewhere. Added cable for GFCI protected electrical outlets. To connect the wires to the GFCI receptacle, remove the wires from the junction box and strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch. GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, receptacle, front view. Test button. Reset button. Receptacle status light. GFCI receptacle, rear view. Line wires connection terminals, from the power source. Load wires connection terminals, to the load, covered with warning sticker to prevent accidental connection when not in use. Ground terminal, green screw. Terminal line hot wire, for connecting the hot wire from the power source, gold screw. Terminal line white wire, for connecting the neutral wire from the power source, silver screw. Line terminals of the receptacle for connecting wires from the power source the incorrect order. Terminal load hot wire, for connecting the hot wire to the load, gold screw. Terminal load white wire, for connecting the neutral wire to the load, silver screw. Load terminals of the receptacle for connecting wires to the load in the correct order. Arrange the wires in pairs to connect them to the receptacle. Junction box wires. Ground wire, bare, that should be connected to the GFCI receptacle grounding terminal, green screw. Hot, black pigtail wire from the power source, which must be connected to the hot line hot wire, terminal of the receptacle. Neutral, white pigtail wire from the power source, which must be connected to the neutral line white wire, terminal of the receptacle. Both wires from the power source must be connected as a pair to the line terminals of the receptacle in the correct order. Hot, black wire to the load, which must be connected to the hot, load hot wire, terminal of the receptacle. Neutral, white wire to the load, which must be connected to the neutral, load white wire, terminal of the receptacle. Both wires to the load must be connected as a pair to the load terminals of the receptacle in the correct order. Connect the ground, bare, wire to the ground terminal of the receptacle. Connect the neutral, white pigtail wire from the power source to the neutral line white wire, terminal of the receptacle. Connect the hot, black pigtail wire from the power source to the hot line hot wire, terminal of the receptacle. Remove the warning sticker from the load terminals of the receptacle. Connect the hot, black wire to the load to the hot load hot wire, terminal of the receptacle. Connect the neutral, white wire to the load to the neutral load white wire, terminal of the receptacle. Insert the wires into the junction box. Check that the wires are not loose and that they are properly connected to the receptacle by tightening the screws with a screwdriver. Secure the receptacle to the junction box and install the receptacle wall plate. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.